Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and you are joining me on day 35 of 365 days of Sewing Make Challenge. That's only 330 days left. Yeah. Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share it. I appreciate that so much. And I just appreciate your support and comments. I just love them. Today I want to show you something you've seen before, but with a twist. It is Quick Sew 3870. You probably remember this from day 21 where I made a gray top. And this pattern has two different necklines. It's kind of a long tunic with a slit in the side. Well, I rarely make things like they are on the envelope. I'll show you this top. It is a pretty black and red. There's red roses on it. Of course, I was drawn to the fabric in the fabric store. This was in Fabricland in their discount bin in the back. Goes with my red shoes. It's a very, very light woven. And I just got 1 meter of this. So this is one of my marvelous 1 meters. It was 60 inches wide, so that makes it a little bit easier to get a top out of 1 meter. And I made this shirt tail hem on it. And the way I did that is I took my garbage can lid and drew the curve on the pattern. I made 3/4 length sleeves, and it's very, very, very plain. Just made some self-binding for it. But I think the pattern kind of spices it up and makes it look interesting. So that is day 35. Quick Sew 3870. And I am very grateful in my grateful thread today for the bargain area of Fabricland. And as you've probably been able to tell by now, that I am quite frugal. That sewing can be quite expensive when you include the pattern and the material. So I try to find ways to make it as reasonable as possible. And I get quite delight out of buying material that's $4 a meter and just buying 1 meter of it and making a beautiful top that I can wear. So I'm grateful on a lot of the sewing, the fabric online stores that I frequent, and in Fabricland they have clearance areas, and I shop those heavily. Not to say I don't buy full price fabric if it's beautiful. Lots of times I buy that too, but I am very grateful today for things that are on sale. We'd love to hear what you're grateful for today, and I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.